Hello guys, so what we're going to do today is go play Bee Swarm Simulator. So, it's loading right now, and it'll take a while. So, let's just sit back and watch. Hopefully it doesn't take too incredibly long. Dang, it's taking a while. Let me close out of it real quick. Okay, I'm joining back in. And okay, we're in. We're loading and loading and loading and loading. It'll take a little while to load in because I haven't played this game in like forever. Literally. So what we're doing today is we're going to claim our hive, and then these are my bees. There are these mythical bees, which are some of the best bees, and then there's the other bees. And really, I haven't played this game for 3 years, so please don't be mad. But today we're going into this shop, and we're looking at all this stuff. And this over here is the tabby bee. It's the only bee in here that I don't have. And this is the, that was the cubby bear. And I really want him. So, and we'll get him soon. But, yeah. So, today what we're going to do is we're going to go just look around and see some stuff. And I'm going to introduce you guys to this game because it's my first game I've ever played online, and I'm kind of really excited. So, we're joining, and we're in, and we're just running around having a great time right now. And collecting stuff. This is where I grind. This is where I always grind and just do a bunch of stuff. And then this is the pepper patch field. And this is always where I grind. Do my stuff in the 35B area. And if you guys can see, down there is where the coconut crab is. Down that way. And it takes a little while to get him because he's really hard. It almost took me an hour and a half to kill him once, but I did. I've only done it once, but I did. So we're gonna go lose our honey right now, lose our pollen, make it into honey. The honey is in the top left. You can see I have a lot of it, and the pollen's in the top right. And you can see that my bag is pretty big from pollen because I've been playing this game for like 3 years. So what we're doing today is we're gonna fight some bosses for you. You see these? This is where the king beetle is. That is a regular rhino beetle. And that, easy. See? Can't ever die from that thing, unless you're not the best. But in here, I'm going to fight this boss. He's really good. This is how you get a lot of money from this stuff. And I'll go over it once I finish and get him. But if you guys want to keep watching my videos, I'm going to soon go over the other bosses. There are some more bosses, but I can't show you that right now because I'm going somewhere soon. And you might ask, where are you going? I'll tell you that in a second. But since this guy is almost dead, we just got him. And look at all this beautiful stuff we're getting from this guy. And yeah, this is my first day uploading. So we'll see how good this is. So here's all the stuff we got. We got gumdrops, blueberries. My bad. We defeated King Beetle. Got a bunch of battle points. Got Bond. We got 5 tickets, which will get me the Tabby Bee soon. If you guys want to watch that, please keep watching my videos. And we got 25 blueberries, 1 blue extract, 5 royal jellies. Yeah. Hold up. That just closed out. And then we got some gumdrops, 10 gumdrops, 1 neon berry, 1 red extract, 10 moon charms, and a buttload of money, which was a lot, because, I mean, look, it just gave me 2 million honey. That's so much. So, that's basically what we went through today, and what I'm going to right now is another one of the bosses, and it is right down in there. That I will show you guys later, but you might be thinking, why not now? Because I am going somewhere, and I am going on a trip, but I'm going to try to upload once a week, and just try my best, because sometimes I'm not active, but I'm going to try my best, okay, guys? So, have a great day, and hope you have the best, and bye. See y'all later.